Meditation is a simple yet powerful tool for reducing stress, increasing inner peace, and improving overall health and well-being. Here is a simple guide on how to meditate. Find a quiet place to sit or lie down. Set a timer for your desired length of meditation. Anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes is a good place to start.
Close your eyes and focus on your breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. You can also focus on a mantra or a word that you repeat to yourself to help calm your mind. Continue to focus on your breath or your mantra until the timer goes off. When the timer goes off, take a deep breath and open your eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It's important to be patient and kind to yourself while meditating. Don't worry if your mind starts to wander or if you get distracted. That's normal and part of the process. Just simply bring your focus back to your breath or your mantra when you realize your mind has wandered. The more you practice, the easier it will become to maintain focus during meditation.